Welcome to Siemens Industrial Edge, where operational technology meets modern computing capabilities. This video is for you if you are new to Industrial Edge and want to get an overview of its components and functions. Industrial Edge is a ready-to-use edge computing platform managed and maintained by Siemens that seamlessly expands your existing automation infrastructure with powerful processing, analysis, and data management capabilities. At the foundation of the system lies diverse field equipment. Industrial Edge is an open platform compatible with both Siemens and third-party devices, from PLCs to barcode scanners and beyond. Connect, unify, and streamline your shop floor data effortlessly. Siemens Industrial Edge enables seamless data integration and standardization, turning diverse machine protocols into a unified MQTT payload for real-time insights and actionable transparency. Industrial Edge devices are computing units installed directly within automation cells, close to your data sources. They provide the essential infrastructure where applications can contextualize and structure raw production data, transforming it into meaningful, actionable information like OEE analyses, dashboarding, or even takeover control tasks. The platform enables real-time comparisons of data streams from multiple sources and the flexible configuration of data acquisition intervals. You can connect 1,000 edge devices and more to your Industrial Edge environment. Choose from a comprehensive portfolio of Industrial Edge devices or even integrate existing hardware with a device kit. Industrial Edge offers the flexibility to handle data where it makes the most sense for your operation. Process, store, and visualize your data locally, or send it to different cloud systems or industrial IoT services for further processing. To implement customized functions depending on your use case, you can run ready-to-use edge applications from the marketplace on Industrial Edge devices or develop your own. Industrial Edge Management serves as the central control system for your entire edge infrastructure. Here you can efficiently perform all essential administrative tasks, from onboarding new edge devices and managing user access rights, to orchestrating system updates and maintenance activities across your entire device fleet. Based on your needs, you can choose between 3 versions of Industrial Edge Management: IEM for short, a Siemens-managed cloud solution, a virtual machine within your infrastructure, or a totally self-contained setup. Industrial Edge Hub is your personal interface to Siemens Industrial Edge. Here, you can monitor your licenses, access documentation, get the latest app versions, and send these to one or more Industrial Edge management instances. Access everything you need to build your Industrial Edge system via the marketplace, from hub access to management systems and app licenses. Siemens Industrial Edge, bridging the gap between IT and OT for a smarter industrial future.